I'm Dr. Pushkala Badrinarayan. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Ayur Sattva. Today, I'll be talking about the most common problem faced in India, which is infertility. Not only in India, this is a very common problem and most burning problem throughout the world. In India alone, there are 27.5 million people who are trying to conceive. Infertility has many reasons. There will be female factors, male factors. Many times it is not even known. The factors are not even known. It is called as unexplained infertility, and sometimes there will be involvement of both male and female factors. What is infertility? Why is it so important? Infertility is when a couple trying for pregnancy, having regular intercourse, doesn't conceive even after 1 year. That is called as infertility. Not only that, there are again varieties in it where there are people who conceive but then get regularly aborted. There are people who conceive, get a child or children, after that they fail to conceive subsequently. Later pregnancies they are not able to conceive. That is also a type. There are people who fail to conceive even once. So infertility, which is also called as Vandyatva in Ayurveda, infertility not only affects the person, it will affect the family too. And the first person is affected physically, emotionally, as well as socially. There are people and couples who go into literally depression because of infertility. So, can we do something for that? Can we avoid it? There are some cases which can be really avoided when you take a better or earlier steps. And yes, Ayurveda has one of the wonderful solutions for infertility. So, the main question which will arise in mind is when to approach a doctor. So, should we really wait for 1 year after marriage to go and consult a doctor, or is there any time bound that we have to go and consult a doctor? For that, according to definition, if you ask, yes, we say after 1 year of regular unprotected intercourse, if a person doesn't conceive, it is infertility. But it also depends on the age. There are people who marry at around 30 or 30 plus. So that will be a problem. Again, after 35 we say you have to consult after 6 months. But if you ask me, according to Ayurveda and being an Ayurvedic gynecologist, I would advise you to consult even before planning for pregnancy. In Ayurveda, we have something called preconceptional care. I will let you know about the details in later videos. But you have to know that a pregnancy should be properly planned, because the quality of egg and quality of sperm will definitely have a greater effect on the quality of offspring. For that, you need to have some treatments, some medicines taken, some diets as well as lifestyle to be followed to have a healthier offspring. So what can be done and when to consult the doctor, that is what I'll tell you now. After marriage, if you are planning for pregnancy, first you have to consult the Ayurvedic doctor. What you have to do? The doctor will first analyze you, give you medicines if you have any gynec related issues, correct your cycle. Later they'll advise you how to proceed or how to plan for a preconceptional care. There are many diseases which can be identified at a very early stage. And if you find any symptoms, you can first go and consult a doctor rather than waiting. There are many people who say this runs in family, so let us wait. There are many people who think having white discharge is quite normal. Sometimes it may also lead to PID, which is pelvic inflammatory disease, which will again be one of the causes of infertility. So what you have to look into yourself, what you have to know about your body so that you can take a right choice at a right time becomes very much important. So you have to understand, first plan for pregnancy, take care of your health. If there are any issues, consult at the earliest, seek a natural or Ayurvedic option for conception and go for preconceptual care. I'll tell you about preconceptual care and other causes of infertility which can be avoided at a very early stage. Thank you.